Hello, in this video, we're going to show you how to create reports in Power BI. So let's build these two charts, profit by date and profit by country, and we're going to show it in a report. I switch to my Power BI. To create a new report, you go to your data sets, and in your data set, look for the financial sample data set that you uploaded. So it's over here for me, financial sample, and we have actions here. And one of the actions here, the very first one, is to create a report. So you click this one. So now we are in this window which lets us create a report, and of course it's empty right now. And over here on the right hand side, you will see the fields from our financial sample worksheet. If you have done pivot tables, you're familiar with how this works. You simply tick the field that you want to appear on the chart, and it will appear over here. And you also have visualization. So visualizations would be the format in which you want to display your information. So we want to display profit by date in a chart like this. So this is a clustered column chart. So let us click profit over here, and profit is over here. You just have to look for it. It's here, and there's an epsilon sign next to it because it will add up the profit. It will summarize it. So I click profit. So over here it shows you profit, and I have already clicked the clustered column chart here, so it shows it to you in this format. If you want to change the visualization, you just select the visualization you want. So it shows you all the profit, but it's not classified according to anything right now because we haven't chosen date. So now I'm going to click date here. So I click date, and now it shows you the chart, profit by date, and that's how easy it is. And you can resize it. So I'm going to resize it like this. So this is already our first chart. Our second chart is profit by country. So I will click outside. I click over here, so now I'm going to build it over here. And I also select the fields I want, so I click profit. And by country, so over here is country. And it shows it to me in a clustered column chart because I click clustered column chart over here. Now I want to show it on a map. So I'm going to change the visualization to this one. So this one says map. And now it shows it to me on a world map. And you can see that the size of the circle corresponds to how big the profit is from that part of the world. So you can see that we don't have a lot of profit from the United States or from Mexico, but we have quite a bit of profit coming from these two places in Europe and also in Canada. So if you want to see details about each circle, you can click on that circle. You can filter your profit by date according to country by clicking on the country over here. So you can see how much of the sales for each month came from each country. So that's how easy it is to create visualizations using the report builder on its own page. So over here you see page 1, so I'm going to click plus, and now it's going to be page 2. So over here I click sales. That's the data I want to show. So sales. So again, it's automatically a clustered column chart. Product and segment. So I click product, segment. Segments over here. So now I'm showing it by product and segment. Next, I want to show profit by segment. So I click in this area out here. I click profit, and I click segment. And now it shows me profit by segment. And the interesting thing to note here is that all segments return profit except for enterprise. My profit is below 0. So that means I had a loss when selling to enterprise customers. So this is an issue that probably I need to look into further. Now, in our model answer, the sales by product and segment is actually a stacked column chart, and I'm using a clustered column chart. So over here, let's change the visualization type to the stacked column chart. So I click here, and now it's a stacked column chart. Now, one thing to remember about reports is that you need to save them. So over here, you have File, and you click Save, and you give your report a name. I already saved it previously, so it says here Report Saved. So I suggest you give it the same name, name it Financial Sample. And where to see your report after you have saved it, you go to My Workspace, go to Report, and here is Financial Sample, the report that I just created. If you want to open it again, you click Financial Sample here, and you will now see you have a page 1 and you have a page 2. And if you want to make more changes, you have to click Edit Report to get back into edit mode. So that's how it works, and we will continue building reports in the next video, so I'll see you there.